Hey guys, it's Julia, designer at the Quilted Cow, and today's tutorial is on the helpful Heifer Hannah's hair scrunchies. Before we begin, I'd like to thank my sponsors, Husqvarna Viking sewing machines, Creative Grids rulers, mats and rotary cutters, and Wilmington prints. Let's begin. The helpful Heifer Hannah's hair scrunchies are amazing. They can fit any size thickness of hair, they can coordinate with any outfit you choose, and they are super simple to make. You can find these kits and patterns on our website at thequiltedcow.com or on our Facebook Lives on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Let's begin with the first steps. The very first step we need to do after we get all of our fabric cut out is we are going to fold the short ends of our fabric over and press it a 1/2 inch. Now for that purpose, I'm going to be using my hot ruler. If you guys don't have one of these, you should definitely get one. They're amazing. So you just line up the raw edge right here on your line, and then you push the ruler and it'll make the exact amount that you need to press your fabric to. So I'm just going to press this, and then we're going to do the same thing for the other end. Once you have both the short ends of your fabric pressed under, we are going to turn our fabric so it's right sides up. What we need to do is step to our machine, and we're going to sew a seam all the way down the long side of our fabrics. You can pin or clip this to hold it in place, or you can just feed it as you go. Either way works. Let's step to our machines and sew. Once you have your side seam completely sewn, we are going to turn our tube the right side out. If you have not used one of these tube turners, I highly recommend getting them. These make tubes so easy to turn. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our purple plastic piece right inside of our tube, and then we're just going to use this little wooden skewer or stick that comes with it, and we're just going to turn our fabric right side out. So once you have your tube turned right side out, you just want to make sure that your ends are still tucked under, how you had them all nice and secure in that very first step. And so now our tube is ready. What we need to do next is to take our piece of elastic that we cut, and we are just going to thread it through. Now you can use anything you want to thread it through. My personal favorite is this little bodkin because it has this nice long point right here. It makes it really easy. So you just clip your elastic into this little hook down here, and we're just going to thread it through our tube. Make sure you keep both ends of your elastic nice and secure so you don't have to go fishing inside the tube to pick them back out. So once you have your elastic threaded through, what we're going to do is step to our machine, and we're just going to put a little stitch in right here at the end of our elastics to hold them together and nice and secure. I'm going to go back and forth a couple of times just to make sure. There's nothing worse than your elastic breaking. Once you have your elastic nice and secure together, what we're going to do next is to take our fabric and we're going to pull it right over our elastic piece. We're going to tuck one end inside of the other, so there'll be no open edges, no raw edges, nothing like that. Now I'm going to just twist and turn it until I can get my two seams here lined up a little, and then we're going to step to our machine and we're just going to run a straight stitch. Make sure that you back stitch at the beginning and the end of your seam, and then we're just going to secure it like that. Once you have your seam sewn, you are ready to use your hair scrunchie. So you just finagle your fabric, you just scoot your fabric over until it's nice and even, and then you're ready for use. Absolutely perfect, goes with every outfit. And that is how you make the helpful Heifer Hannah's hair scrunchie. You can find this kit on our website at thequiltedcow.com or on our Facebook Lives on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking sewing machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.